So guys, by default your Google Nest Thermostat screen is going to turn on when you walk near it. The thing is, this can be annoying, especially at nighttime. The one next to my baby's crib always wakes her up when we walk by it. To turn this off though, it's pretty simple. Press the screen. Scroll to settings. Press the screen. Scroll over. Select display. So this feature is called Farsight. You see the default is target temperature. Change the screen to something else or go to don't use Farsight. Press on wake on press. Select done. Scroll to the right. Select it. So just to show you guys real quick. When I walk away. So yeah, now when I walk away and come back, the screen does not turn on. Select it to turn it on. Alright guys, thanks for watching.